What's the best social media platform for content creators? It depends on what type of content you create and how much money you want to make. Consider using the platform that best suits your needs in terms of audience, type of content, and market opportunity for content creators. If you're looking to build a large audience and monetize with ads, Facebook is likely your best bet. If you want to focus on building an engaged community around niche topics, then consider YouTube or Instagram. If you want to earn money from sponsorships and affiliate marketing, then Pinterest might be your platform of choice. Many social media platforms are starting to pay content creators for their posts. The main reason behind this is that the content creators are becoming more popular than the platforms themselves. The more people use these platforms, the better it is for them because they get a lot of ad revenue and they can also sell their data to advertisers. Some of the most popular social media platforms that pay content creators are YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. These three platforms have different ways of paying their content creators. For example, YouTube pays its users with a share of its ad revenue while Instagram pays its users with cash or freebies in exchange for posting photos on the platform. 1. YouTube. YouTube has been paying content creators since 2007. They have been experimenting with different models, but the most successful one is the ad-supported model. Free content can be monetized via ads, and premium content has the option of being monetized via subscriptions. YouTube's ad-supported model allows brands to advertise against content, which is viewer-friendly. The company earns revenue through advertising and charging for branded content. YouTube's subscription business is also huge with more than 10 million subscribers paying a monthly fee to watch ad-free videos from big media companies like Time Warner, Fox Sports, and ESPN. 2. Facebook. Facebook is the latest social media platform to offer content creators a way to get paid for their content. The company announced in May that it would be launching a new feature, called Facebook Showcase, which will allow users to share longer videos and live broadcasts with followers. This new feature is a good way for Facebook to compete with YouTube, which has been paying content creators for years. It also offers an opportunity for Facebook to tap into the lucrative market of influencer marketing. 3. Instagram. Instagram is a popular social media platform that has over 800 million monthly active users. It is no surprise that Instagram has been investing in its content creators by offering them the opportunity to monetize their content. In 2016, Instagram introduced a feature called Shop Now to allow influencers to link their posts to a specific product. This feature was first available for US based influencers only but was later expanded globally at the end of 2017. The Shop Now feature also allows advertisers on Instagram to pay influencers for promoting their products in posts with links back to their own site or e-commerce store. With this feature, advertisers will be able to tap into the power of micro-influencers and get access to followers who are interested in similar products and services as them. 4. Snapchat. The social media platform Snapchat is paying content creators for the first time. This will give creators a chance to make money from their work that they put on the platform. The company has been struggling with making money, and it is now looking for new ways to make revenue. One of these ways is by paying content creators for their work on the app, which will be a big change in the industry. 5. Twitter. With the rise of social media, many content creators are turning to Twitter as a way to generate revenue. Twitter has created a new revenue stream for some of its most popular users by paying them to create sponsored content. Twitter is now paying some of its most popular users to produce sponsored tweets and videos. The company has been experimenting with this new revenue stream since 2013, when it paid celebrities like James Franco and Martha Stewart to tweet about products they had used or endorsed. It seems that with the rise of social media, many content creators are turning to Twitter as a way to generate revenue. The platform is now paying some of its most popular users in order for them to produce sponsored tweets and videos, which will be seen by their followers on the site. 6. LinkedIn. LinkedIn has been paying content creators to post their articles on the platform since 2016. This is done in an effort to move away from the traditional model where LinkedIn's newsfeed was filled with company-generated posts, and instead, they wanted it to be filled with more relevant and interesting articles. LinkedIn pays people who are experts in a given field or industry, or have experience as a journalist, author, or educator. They can then offer advice or insights to readers through original blog posts and articles on the platform. 7. Pinterest. The main difference between these platforms and Pinterest is that Pinterest will be paying its content creators based on the number of followers they have. This means that if you are a smaller blogger, with a few thousand followers, you will get paid less than someone with 100,000 followers.